Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today we are doing a brow tutorial. Click on this video, you already know what to expect. Your girl thinks she's a professional now. Like, I've been doing my brows for a while and I know I'm professional. I get them done quick and easy in the morning, and this is pretty much what I do every day. I like to start off with just cleaning them up, and I use regular eyebrow shaver. You can get it at your local beauty supply. You pretty much get this anywhere now, especially since dermaplaning is so popular. Just a sidebar, but yeah. So what I'm doing here is just cleaning up any unwanted hairs. I don't have that much brow hair to begin with, but still I have a few stubborn hairs that just want to grow, just want to pop out on me. So I'm gonna go through and just clean that up real quick and get these girls ready for the beat down. The beat down, right? If you watched any of my previous videos, makeup videos, you'll see that I like to use powder on my whole face, especially my brows. I like to set them like 3 or 4 times. So I'm gonna start with powder and just get them all set and ready to create our shape. Right, so now we're ready to create our shape. In this video, I'm using the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. It's one of my favorites, inexpensive. I need to be like an e.l.f. ambassador because I swear I use e.l.f. more than my like higher priced makeup. But here I'm just creating like small brush strokes for my brow, and I feel like this is the part where it's optional because some people just like to go straight to pomade or dip brow for their brows. For me, the pencil really helps me get the actual shape, and then I go from there, as you'll see, and fill in. But here I'm just measuring like the tail of my brow, exactly where I want it to end or start, and I just really do light brush strokes like to create the shape. It's not anything particular. Because I already have one brow finished, I'm kind of comparing that one to the brow that I'm creating at the moment. But usually I like to go back and forth just to make sure that they don't look like too far off. Like, the brows are supposed to be cousins, not sisters, so they shouldn't look identical. Natural brows wouldn't look identical, right? The next step, as I mentioned, is filling them in with a pomade or dip brow. I'm using, in this video and almost every day, I use Anastasia's dip brow, and the color is Ebony or ash brown, I'm sorry. And I literally do the same technique. I go in and fill in lightly at first, especially in the beginning of the brows. The tail, I usually keep it darker, but the start of the brow, I like to have like a gradient almost. From there, I like to use powder just to fill in any other like sparse areas. That's optional though. Some people just like I said, to use the dip brow or a gel and go from there. But for me, I'm trying to set these brows in, and I feel like with the gel, pencil, and the powder, there's no way that they're moving around. Like, nobody's gonna come in and swipe off your brow. Cleanup time. Alright, so cleaning up today, I'm using 2 concealers that I'm mixing. I like to use something that's close to my skin tone so that it's not so much blending after. But really what I do here is I'm carving out underneath and highlighting at the same time. So carving out that shape, girl, get that shape right. Yeah, so carving out, starting, I don't like to start like right in the beginning or the front of the brow. And I literally do the same thing on the top. So you'll watch me go back over a couple of times, and you'll notice the color is not too far off from my actual undertones. Mind you, I don't have any foundation or anything on my face, so it might look a little scary right now, but once you have that whole face beat, it will blend right out. And then I'm using a brush that's a little bit bigger just to blend her out, like get it all blended. Make sure you don't drag that tail too much, but just blend, 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 to make sure you don't have any issues later when it's time for foundation. Like everything will blend seamlessly. So once you're done blending that hoe out, I like to go back in with a spoolie just to get them ready to set them. So in this video, I chose to use the Wow Brow from e.l.f., of course. And this will pretty much help you if you missed anything else. It will help you to just set everything, and it even gives you like the little hair-like strokes from the brush. Last but not least, you need to make sure that you set everything around those brows. You don't want to have halo brows, all right? You need to set them with whatever powder of choice. For me, I chose my corrective powder, the yellow one that I use for the rest of my face and for my brows at the beginning. And yeah, just set them, get them ready, don't have any creasing, and you're pretty much set to go at this point, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.